Greetings, my friends. Michael Lee here, the Crypto Hound, and today we're going to talk to you about how to fund your Paraiba account with the Cash App. That's right. I did have another presentation on this previously, but it's been updated. A few things on the Cash App did change, so I want to present you with an updated edition right after this. Welcome back. So you have joined Paraiba. You have clicked on the link below. You have your free account, and now you're ready to fund your account. So one of the and you can fund your account from a number of different sources. You can go from Coinbase. You can go from your own private wallet. I use Exodus Wallet. Or one of my favorite ways to fund it, very quick way to fund it, is by using the Cash App. And I don't know, I think it's available only in the US, but one of the easiest ways to fund your Paraiba account is through the Cash App. So let's walk through the steps on this. So first, once you're in your dashboard, you need to go down to Finance. And when you arrive at Finance, the next thing you need to do is to add balance. Add balance. It will come up automatically with $25, but today I'm going to do at least add another $50. So I'm going to put 51 in just in case we've got some fees that need to be dealt with. And then you hit the calculate button. Let me move this out of the way here. Hit the calculate button, and it will give you your address. And so I have my Cash App here, which is on my phone, and I'm going to use this Cash App in order to fund this account. So here's what we do from the Cash App. So on the Cash App, we have looks like we have about 67 bucks in crypto in Bitcoin on the account already. We'll go over here to where the little house is down here at the bottom. We'll click there, and then we will go down to Bitcoin. We'll click on Bitcoin, and at this point we'll hit the send Bitcoin. It doesn't show on the screen for some reason. Well, there are two ways to do this. One way is that you will come up here and click on this link here, and it will allow you. Let's do that again, and it will allow you to scan the barcode that's on the screen. See, you scan the barcode, and it will accept, and we'll confirm the total number of satoshis that are there, which is 002181. Bitcoin BTC, and so all I have to do is confirm it at that point, and then it will start to send that information to the account. Another way to do it, and I'm going to go back here. Another way to do it is to put in the total number of dollars that I want to send. And here I said I want to send $51, and it'll tell me that the sats are, the number of satoshis are here. And so I will click the send button, and then I can copy this this wallet address and paste it in here. Now the Now, the difficult thing to do is sometimes this wallet address here is on your computer. And so you will need to copy it and send it somewhere else so that you can grab it and put it in this here account. So we're not going to do that today. We'll just go back. We're going to click our button here at the top so that we can grab our account. We will confirm, and at this point it's asking me for my fingerprint because that's one of the verifications I use. I could also use a PIN if I wanted to, but I'm using verifying via the PIN, and it tells me here that I've initiated a withdrawal of 218,134 Satoshis, and then I'm done. Okay, and so it will take that amount out of my Bitcoin balance, and as we see here, I've got it took that $51 out of my Bitcoin balance. And now let's come over to our dashboard, and I'm going to get rid of this by just clicking off, and I'm going to click back on. And so right here is where and if I do a refresh on this screen, eventually it's going to show me that there is $51.30 ready to come into the account right here. $51.30 that is ready to come into the account. And so once that, and it may take a little while for that those funds to drop down into my account, but once it does, and I'll just use our balance here just to show you what it does. I'm going to hit use balance, because once it's in the usable balance spot, your account is not funded until you hit use balance. Use balance. So the total balance that I have is $27.27. I already had that, and I'm going to hit save. Now I can hit save, and now it's asking for a code. That code is one that is being sent to my email address, and so I am going in and trying to get that code. And once I have the code, then I will paste that code in, and then it will start. It will show the total number of units that have downloaded. And so my code is here. All right, so I've grabbed the code. I'm going to paste it in here, and then I'm going to send the code. And once it's sent, I'll do a refresh here, and you'll see that usable balance is now 0. And I'll go to my home page, and I'll see that my my deposits have increased by the $25 and some change. Okay, so that's how you use the Cash App to fund your Paraiba account. And if there's any questions that you have, you can chat with me on the Telegram group. If you have joined my team, I'm running a special right now for Christmas, that if you join my team and join with a minimum of $100, then I will put you on our rotator, and so that you can, our traffic rotator, and then you will be able to reap the benefits of being on that traffic rotator. Again, my name is Michael Lee. I am the Crypto Hound, and you have yourself a very Merry Christmas. See ya.